Headphone users, be aware. Loud noises.
Samurai to... You're currently with Chaos, right?
Oh.
Copy that. There is a firefight at the rescue market. Can you come and assist us over?
Oh god, massive cast. Mass cast. Check your fire, wits. Mass cast. Oh shit! Enemy!
Holy shit! Stolen Russian frag grenade out. There was an entire platoon.
There's a squad en route. Don't worry, everything's gonna be okay.
Oh god, Viking died.
Alright, boys, fall back.
I can't hear anything.
Fall back.
Daco, help!
Wits.
Help!
Oh, you need help?
Yes.
You know we need to
We
retreat.
just fought out of a tiny room
Where can I drag you?
when
I need help
two
over here.
platoons were attacking us.
God damn it. Can you cover me, Chaos?
Holy shit! I racked up a good amount of kills.
Trying to.
Okay, Chaos, we both.
You're good, one medic.
User
Let's go.
left your channel. User joined your channel.
Hit really badly, but it's fine. We'll move.
Get Chaos as well. Get Chaos as well.
Move.
We need to actually get out of here. Or, actually, does also have us covered? Yeah, also has us covered.
I can't hear anything.
Oh, did you not equip earplugs?
I'll let Warminick explain why we can't hear anything.
Well, I can hear shit, but yeah, we were in this tiny room. We crash landed with Swollen. We were in a tiny room.
I copy
Like two platoons of what looked like Llewellyn band attacked us.
Copy
And
that.
We're moving. Let's
They
go.
ordered us to surrender.
Well,
We
Warminick,
just
we're
threw a
moving.
nade at
Let's
like
go.
6 of them.
Done destroying all of air friendly shipments, but
I'm
so stand by.
I think me and Warminick have got PTSD right now.
We are traumatized.
Samurai to
Me,
wraps out there. Any
Warminick,
birds in the
Llewellyn
background
just
you
had
ever-
like 2 entire platoons attack us.
What is it?
We were in a tiny room attacked by like 2 platoons worth of fucking enemies.
Samurai, do you copy over?
Oh yeah, I just want to point this out by the way. So they asked if we wanted to surrender. They said mac and cheese was a capitalist construct, so I threw a frag grenade at them, captured by one of their dead
speaking
people.
of frag grenades, can you guys spread out? Because if you get thrown at you, you'll...
yeah. Speaking of frag grenades,
Hey, you know, Warminick, you know what we should have done in that room?
Darko, where are you?
I'm outside of the vehicle.
Where else?
Here.
Oh, you're there. Alright, follow me.
Okay.
We're gonna be by
Can you stop? This is such.
copy over.
Well, I cannot hear anything.
I originally sent, but then due to no contact, I brought them back now. Over.
What the?
The HVT is with the South Squad, and I have no idea where the civilians are. Over. Stand by. This is Samurai to Saad. You copy over?
Uważaj. Jak ktoś będziesz go widział, to nie mów.
Nad nami są.
Jest tutaj, czekaj.
He's down.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, run him over.
Now, he is dead. For sure. Where is infantry?
They are in the forest.
The forest.
They're in the forest.
Go back to forest. Let's hide in forest.
I am going to the bush.
Let's go into the bush. Like a partisan. Da partisano. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao.
Move.
Careful! Jesus.
Copy over.
It's not my fault. LAV, get into the woods for cover.
Bravo 6 going the woods.
Holding trees.
Bravo 6 going woods.
to the forest. The line of the trees. Slowly.
Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Pararara. Pop, boom. Pop, boom. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, boom. Epic, pop, boom. Pink bomb.
Oh, sucks.
Bombardment.
Copy that. Good question.
Something front of us. Przód, uważaj.
Copy
I
that.
don't see
we
any big
see-
bomb.
Left side track. Lewo.
Oh, negative. I did not see that truck.
Brawo.
We are trying from east. How copy over?
Friendly, stop.
Why the fuck they get a fucking enemy vehicle and doesn't say anything?
Oh my god.
Fucking retards!
Is that Avalanche?
Where the fuck is
Get
Benji?
close to them.
Hello, I'm here.
Run.
Yeah.
They fucking took an enemy.
Yes, I think yes, that's Avalanche.
Fuck.
This is Samurai to Avalanche. You said nothing on radio.
I'm getting out.
I don't know if I'll succeed though.
Well,
Holy shit.
Help this guy.
Copy.
Just pat this. Oh,
Oh, fuck.
he's gone. Just help the other one.
Holy shit.
Right, only Daco and John should be here. Everyone else for security.
Date.
That includes you too, Pulsar.
Okay, I'm stitching. 10 seconds.
John,
Why
Viking,
do you
for
say
your
nothing
opinion, you're
on
fucking
radio?
retards.
I don't have a radio. Witch has the radio. And
So why
have
did
you
you do
ever
that
heard?
report?
Shut the fuck up! I'm not
A
talking to you.
battlefield is not a place for arguments. Just move on. Let them recover. Okay.
Yeah.
Pulsar just pushed the village.
Samurai to Katana, do you copy over?
Katana copy, send message.
Are you current?
You're in good hands, Tip. Avant fried.
Because, you know, the enemy truck coming from controlled territory with the two Spec Ops guys in the back could have been easily identified as friendly, could it not have?
I mean, yeah. I guess, but
User in your channel
nah,
timed
I
out.
can't. I'm sorry, John, but that can be easily argued over, and yeah.
Anyone with a brain can see that the people sitting in the back are wearing friendly stuff. Enemies don't have
that depends how we were looking at you, and from far away it looked like you guys were original enemies.
The guy shooting the autocannon is super zoomed in at us.
Well, Daco, here's the thing. We have seen 5 transports today. Every single one of them has been full if it's an enemy.
Yeah,
We had one person in the back.
and
That should tell you it's not. And if you can even see, he's wearing the avalanche armor.
I mean, how can you tell us that from all the way over how do you point again?
Morphine, you don't have to use one.
Like from all the way over there, from that forest, looking at this truck.
Daco, you up?
I'm up.
Zoomed in, he should see it.
We did see you, but we did.
Pretty much different armor from from the enemy.
vehicle needs medic.
listen,
Getting bombed by the friendly or the enemy plane just like.
listen, Bessie needs my help, I need to go, okay? Let's argue about this later. I am on my way. Hold position.
I don't know what you guys want to do because I don't think this is gonna work. But
We wanted to load Arsenal in
Yeah, we can
and
load Arsenal.
drive the
Drive it out and
and
then
here?
put it on the helicopter.
yeah.
So it's-
You know what? I have 24 kills. I'll take the shot.
You have 24 kills. I have 3 kills.
He did not. He's not.
Maybe use main gun.
He gave him God mode, I think.
Oh, so they're immortal? Oh, no,
User
they're
left your
not.
channel.
Okay, so one of them is down.
Good. We actually can't get into the truck, but
probably fucked it up.
Who said that?
Okay. Okay, I'm in the driver's seat.
Back up, back up.
Okay.
Go back, go back.
What the f... Engine on. I can't. This vehicle doesn't move. I can't move this vehicle. Oh, give it a shot.
We can have a resupply.
I'm just gonna put it next to the helicopter.
No. Just give us a car. We need to do shit.
It's out of fuel, it's out of fuel.
No. Different car.
Oh, it's out of fuel?
You shot him? That's the spawn vehicle, you dimwits.
But the vehicle is still there.
Okay, and I use it for spawn.
We wanted to load the Arsenal in the helis because they
We
wanna
will move it back.
reset.
Wes, I advertised against it, but they still did.
Don't give us the car.
Oh, I can load it. Wait.
Oh yeah, but
No,
we can't use the
don't
car.
load, don't. We need to
Give us the car.
load this in the heli.
No, I can fucking load it into the heli, you dumb shit.
The
Oh,
heli?
yeah, I loaded it
You
out.
can?
No,
Oh, we can we can load into this.
Wait. Okay, I'll do it.
Oh
I'll
yeah.
do it. Towing tractor.
Yes.
No, you can't
Cannot
load
be
it
loaded.
into
Cannot be
this.
loaded.
Yeah, I'm just loading it into the helicopter. Fuck.
Hold on, wait.
That's not fun. That's not fun. Wes, give us a proper vehicle.
No, we can just tow it. We can just tow it onto the platform.
Oh shit. That's true.
Hold on.
Tow it.
Tow it? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, prepare a tow.
Attach item. Wait, is it attach item? No.
I'll
Did you get the tow rope?
I got the tow rope. I don't know how to attach it to this though. Oh, okay.
You can't attach it to this.
No.
No,
Wait,
we
what
can't.
if we unload all the tires?
No, god damn, I'm just gonna load it into the fucking thing.
No.
No.
Don't you dare.
Hey, how about we load it into this?
Try
You
now.
can't. It's too big.
Hey, this is bigger.
Can we load it into that?
I'm gonna fucking load it into the
Wait, move it closer, Daka.
I'm bringing it a little closer. Stand back.
Closer? Yeah, I get it. Can't be loaded.
Can't be loaded.
This one has a tow.
We need a fucking flatbed for this.
It doesn't have a tow.
I'm just gonna fucking put it into the helicopter.
No!
Yes, I am.
Wait,
I'm gonna leave because I
I'm
need
getting
fucking
trapped.
resupply
I'm
there.
moving it. Wait, prepare tow?
I'm not a tow man. I'm like,
Wait, no, I'm gonna move it with this.
Did you load it in there already?
no,
Yes.
no.
Move the Humvee.
Oh wait, you can load it into the helicopter from here.
Yes, that's what I've been telling for the fuck.
No, don't do that.
Why?
Humvee.
Don't do that.
Move
Why?
the Humvee. We're doing this the
Oh,
actual
I
way.
have
This
a
is what
plan.
logistics gonna
Move
look
the
have a
like.
plan.
Humvee, Chris.
I have a plan.
Move the Humvee.
Yeah, move the Humvee.
Towing tractor.
This is what logistics
Nope.
is gonna look like.
Oh wait, that is the Humvee. Hold on.
Dako, I would move.
No, don't
I'm
fucking,
wrapping it on there.
don't fucking do that.
It doesn't move. It doesn't move.
It does move.
I'm
God
just gonna
damn
fuck,
it, it does not move.
I'm just gonna
I have a
fucking
plan, I
load
have a
it.
plan.
Fuck you guys.
Load it in the hand, and then we tow
You
hand
can't. You
in
can't
this.
load it there.
Oh. Sad.
Can you load it in the helicopter?
Come here, Chris.
Let's see if this works.
Oh!
No. What is
Oh, it's working.
It is working, yes.
Loading cargo time. Left. 30 seconds.
Yeah, now we can go.
Oh, God.
Holy shit! And it's
Michael, can you heal me?
What the fuck? What the fuck happened? Get off the platform.
Heal me, heal me, heal me, heal me.
Stand still. Stand still.
Respawn is broken.
Help me, Chris. Chris, help me.
I don't have bandages.
Oh my god, it exploded again. What is this chaos that we ran into?
By the way, respawn is broken.
Huh? Why?
I don't know.
Alright. Alright, I'm stitching you up. I'm climbing into your windows, stitching your people up.
Yeah, I'm just gonna check. It's good.
Broken.
Yeah, you're good, you're good. I, on the other hand, am not good.
It's not in here. What? Did you fucking load Did you load it?
Yes.
In which helicopter?
The closest one, probably?
I can't see it. Oh yeah, I can see it. Oh no, shit. Okay, wait. I'm gonna fucking fly this thing. Let's go.
Alright, where is Cry? Cry's
Cry-
not here.
Cry died.
Resupplies
Wait,
just way too
Was that
slow.
Beze I just heard? Is it in here?
Oh wait, people are dying. You should probably wait.
Get it? Oh, that's.
Wait, no, wait.
Why is fucking nobody getting in?
People are dying right now. Hold on, wait.
Oh, okay. But the fucking respawn is dead, so.
It's not.
No,
it's not, it
respawn
works.
is good. Respawn is good.
You just spawn in the front seat if you're the only one.
Wait, hold on. I'll go down there and get him.
They'll come up. He's taking the elevator. Oh my god.
No.
Wow, solid.
How's it hanging there, boys? You just died?
Hi. Yeah, it was my first time I died in this because somebody told us.
Alright, follow me. I'll get us into the helipad.
Alright.
Charge the hill. Let's do it. Never mind, there's people shooting at us.
Yeah, exactly. And the fucking BMP just drove off.
Alright, is everybody here?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Stand still. You do not want to move while on this platform.
Okay.
Alright, it should be this helicopter right here.
Yeah.
And also
Hey, boys.
more to support.
Yeah, I want.
Hello.
Maybe that's busy.
If I crash,
I'll just have Jer.
this is gonna be a fun time. This is rapid to
Until Stalker becomes a thing, I'll just join logistics.
Go to the Alpha.
Hello there. Where is Roddy?
Copy that. On my way with reinforcements.
By the way, is there only one helicopter right now?
No.
There are multiple helicopters. Nope, negative. I died. I am currently in the helicopter, just took off. We are heading back.
So we don't have the correct weapons, and if we go into those, we'll start spawning like Hinds, etc., and we get shot down because we can't like rearm our own Apaches. So yeah,
Oh.
Makes sense.
we're not using them.
What the fuck? War medic?
Darko, you up?
Where is Darko?
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, I'm up. What's up?
I need a little bit of.
I need a medic at front vehicle. Can you come
I
please
think
over?
he might be dead.
Negative. I'm trying to patch up more medic.
Oh, he's dead, man. Dako, I don't think we
He's.
can save
It's
him.
never too late. It's never too late. Don't lose hope yet.
We can.
Please.
Okay. Yeah, we will save him. Don't worry. Nothing wrong.
Wellen, can you pull security and not look at us? Oh wait, you're wounded. Okay,
Everything
never mind.
is fine. Everything is alright.
Well, why are you wearing a Soviet hat and why do you have an AK-47?
That's what he does, man.
West is bombing run.
Oh my goodness, people are dying.
Yeah.
Roti, please help. Roti.
I have a big
Medical.
I'm gonna quickly stitch.
Alright, yeah, you stitch him. You stitch him, I'll start removing those tourniquets.
Right.
I'll take only one so you can take the rest.
User left your channel.
I know,
User
I'm
joined
under
your
it.
channel.
It's over.
I'll give him additional blood.
Does he have a pulse?
I haven't checked that yet, but we should probably remove the tourniquets first.
Yeah. And no pulse on his left arm.
Okay.
Secure him.
Okay, sure, I'll take your tourniquets.
Why do you have that?
Jesus, how the fuck did we save him?
That's the motto of a medic. Never lose hope. That's my motto of a medic. Anyway.
Okay, he's got
I think he might be dead.
No, he's not. He's fine. Look at him. His heart rate 122. We got him. He is safe. He is safe as fuck.
Change that.
No.
I swear to God. If you're going to put him out of his misery, I'm gonna put you out of your misery.
I bet we all.
Hey, I can end all of our misery in a single grenade.
You just got a grenade.
Hey, we have the same idea.
Arliss, will you stay with him? I need to regroup with Beze.
Yeah, sure. I will.
Alright.
Dako, can I have some blood?
Oh, sure. Just hold still. Oh, you got Zeus healed.
All of Avalanche, all of Hell's Fury.
Who had their period?
You know.
With a period? Oh,
Are you okay? Sorry about that. Sorry about that. One minute.
Like a
How are you dragging him? He's up. Oh my god. Now I'm broken.
Yeah.
Oh, good job.
He's like, oh god damn it, guys.
User disconnected from your channel.
Dude, I saw the plane come, the air hurling towards me.
What in the heck? Guys, what the fuck happened over here? Oh, this is a.
We have.
Copy. I'm turning it. I'm stitching him.
We should finish the mission.
He's fine. He's fine.
Oshu is you're killed. He is alive.
Way too much aircraft.
Oshu, you're alive. Oshu.
He will be fine. He will be fine.
Okay, I guess you're not just because I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Well, you got a heart rate and what? How is he still out?
He is still alive.
No, but how is he like knocked out?
Because he was down, and we were patching him up.
Yeah, but his heart rate and everything is fine.
Yeah, he should get back very soon.
Yeah, that happens. That happens. When you fix, he does have injury. Like on his head, he has a large velocity wound, but the body part is completely white. That's how it is with a medic we're using.
Start heading to the top of the...
Welcome back, also.
Mark on map.
You need a driver?
Try and have a vantage point on top of the airbase.
Depends if we have two LEVs.
We do, I think.
Okay, everybody in my squad.
I don't.
Forest.
Platoon medic to Hussar. Give me a status update. Hussar, this is platoon medic. Do you copy? Hussar, this is platoon medic. Your medic is not responding on medical net. What's happening? Over.
This is Hussar, we don't have medic.
Oh. Copy that.
Reloading.
Move up the door, I wanna shoot this. Approach the jeep.
Holy crap, that was quite a lot of them. Hey! This guy is still alive! Yeah.
If everyone's good, we're gonna continue moving to the airbase.
That.
Who can stitch me up?
I can stitch you up. Hold on.
Panel, me next, please.
Copy.
I could use it too, but never mind. I don't need it.
Wanna help you? Okay.
I just need stitching and blood.
You are good, Prussian. You are good, Kriegsman.
Okay. I need stitching and blood.
Copy.
What?
Thanks.
Huh?
I need to get my squad.
No,
ready.
sorry, I don't have any
It's really
rockets.
fucking fast.
Copy.
Maybe fucking don't
Yeah. Damn.
MOS for you.
Alright, you're good, Zach.
Thanks.
Ah! Jesus, that was close.
Everyone good? Everyone good? Ah! Help! I
Beze,
need medic!
I got visual on you. I'm heading to you, Beze.
Help! Get away! I'm bleeding everywhere. Help, please!
Holy but Jesus, Beze!
Set copy or something.
I'm gonna apply tourniquets to you.
Busy.
I'm dying. I cannot talk right now.
Can you help me?
Do you want me to fix that?
But I'm kinda...
Don't. West.
We talked about Zeus heals, but you know.
Okay, well, I'm trying to talk to you, and if that's a problem, then...
I don't even have tourniquets left.
Okay, do you want there to be a counter-assault on the base, and you'll hold that, then end the mission, or do you just want to end it now?
User in your channel timed out.
No, like...
User
some
joined your
people went
channel.
there lone wolfing and took the entire base before I had time to finish.
That wasn't lone wolfing, that was...
Oh my god. Beze, I could.
It was literally...
Beze died.
Also the ground AA, also
Busy, it was literally...
Oh, come on.
Now we know that they are dying.
Do you have a medic? Is
Yeah,
there a medic?
that's a squad.
I'm here, I'm here.
Daka, I need some blood.
Which one of you?
Not right now.
It was still a
Two
squad
of them.
assaulting.
Two of them.
Am I still alive? Oh, I hear the noise.
I have no
Yeah,
idea.
but
I mean, it's been
uh,
going
went
on for
from
nearly
movement
3
from-
hours now, so not really.
Shoot it.